Welcome back to Smart Science SAW. Today, we explore development frameworks. Why do some countries develop faster than others? Let's find out. Development is shaped by various factors. These include political, social, economic, and environmental elements. They're all interconnected. Understanding these is key to grasping development differences. First, let's examine political and historical factors. Colonization extracted resources, leaving colonies underdeveloped. Multinational companies exploit cheap labor in less economically developed countries, LEDCs. Weak governance hampers investment. Corruption reduces service delivery. Also, without proper regulations, resources are often exploited. Now, social factors play a huge role. Rapid population growth pressures food, water, and land. When birth rates soar, environments strain under the weight. Education becomes crucial. Skilled labor drives innovation and technology transfer. High illiteracy rates, however, limit productivity. Next, consider economic factors. Trade imbalances affect LEDCs. They export raw materials but import costly goods. Globalization bends towards wealthier countries, often sidelining LEDCs. Energy access is critical, yet over half the globe lacks affordable energy. Many rely on biomass fuels, which hinders progress. Then, we have natural resources and environmental concerns. Overpopulation leads to degradation, while pollution and deforestation worsen the situation. Unequal access to fundamental resources limits growth opportunities. Profit-driven exploitation damages fragile ecosystems. Geographers study development models to understand progress. Let's break down 4 key models. First, we have Rostow's model of development. It includes 5 stages. 1. Traditional society, minimal technology and subsistence farming. 2. Preconditions for takeoff, improved infrastructure and initial exports. 3. Takeoff, growth spurts in industries. 4. Drive to maturity, widespread industrialization. 5. High mass consumption, a mature economy with a strong service sector. Criticism highlights its Eurocentric focus. Many LEDCs struggle to progress. Aid hasn't pushed all into stage 2. Next is the core periphery model. Here, development concentrates in core areas like cities. Peripheries depend on cores for jobs. Inequality persists as growth rarely spreads evenly. This model applies locally, regionally, and globally. Next up is sustainability models. They balance 3 pillars: economic viability, social equity, and environmental protection. True development happens only when these harmonize. However, sustainable methods can be slow and costly to implement. Lastly, community-based development addresses local needs. It utilizes a bottom-up approach. Communities plan and maintain their projects. Focused on poverty alleviation, local economies, and empowerment, these projects encourage buy-in from the community, ensuring sustainability. Let's apply this knowledge to an exam scenario. Compare Rostow's model to sustainability models. Rostow emphasizes linear economic growth, while sustainability covers holistic development. One prioritizes stages of industrialization, the other cherishes balance. In today's lesson, we discussed various development factors and models. Each has strengths and weaknesses. Join us next time as we explore trade and development, delving into global trade's impact on economic growth and inequality.